recording here. All right. Today's date is January 13th, 2022. In Wilbarger County, Texas, I call cause number 29155 in the interest of the Casey children. What says the state?
Ready, Your Honor.
Present in person is Amy Noel Casey. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Also present in person is Bradley Scott Casey, and he's represented by his attorney, Ms. Baskerville. Are you ready, Ms. Baskerville?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
All right. I understand there's an agreement in this case that we're going to announce on the record. Who's going to be making the announcement?
Yes, Your Honor. I will make an announcement.
All right, Ms. Coons, please go ahead. Everybody listen carefully.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that the parties are in agreement that there shouldn't be any court-ordered child support because the parties are exercising split possession. There was no court-ordered child support in the prior order as well for that same reason. And it's my understanding that there's not private health insurance available at this time at a reasonable cost. So Ms. Casey will be responsible for applying for a government health plan for the children. And Mr. Casey will be responsible for paying monthly medical support of $140 per month beginning February 1st of 2022. And that is my understanding of the agreement, Your Honor. And if I may, I ask to call Amy Casey.
All right. Ms. Casey, would you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Go ahead, Ms. Coons.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Casey, did you hear and understand the agreement I announced to the court?
Yes, ma'am.
And does that in fact represent your agreement today?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe it's in your children's best interest?
Yes, ma'am.
I pass the witness.
No questions, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Baskerville, was that a correct statement of the agreement as you understand it?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Coons?
Your Honor, the state calls Bradley Casey.
Mr. Casey, would you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give should be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Go ahead, Ms. Coons.
Mr. Casey, did you hear and understand the agreement I announced to the court?
Yes, ma'am.
And does that in fact represent your agreement today?
Yes, ma'am.
And you believe it's in your children's best interest?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
I pass the witness.
All right, Ms. Baskerville, anything you want to ask him?
Just quickly, Your Honor. Mr. Casey, is it true that you don't have private insurance available through an employer at this time?
Right, that's correct.
Okay. If at some point that there'll be language in the order that if at some point that becomes available, you can purchase the private insurance and notify the Attorney General's office, and they will stop making you pay the Medicaid, and you'll pay the private insurance.
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Okay.
Yes.
And are you guys still exercising basically split possession of the children?
Yes, ma'am, we are.
And does that continue to be in the best interest of the children?
Yes, it's working very well for us.
Okay, I pass the witness.
Do the children, Mr. Casey, have any medical bills that aren't covered by insurance?
No, ma'am, not that I'm aware of.
All right. All right. Anything else, Ms. Coons?
Mr. Casey, do you understand regarding the medical, if you do obtain private health insurance in the future, the order will have some specific instructions for you on documentation that you need to provide to the other parent and to our office in order for us to be able to stop the monthly medical support accrual?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I passed the witness.
All right, and I'm assuming that both parties will be splitting half and half any medical bills not covered by the insurance. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Well, based on your testimony, then I'm granting the request that the relief that you've requested as to medical support only, with $140 per month from Mr. Casey going to the state to reimburse for Medicaid, and each parent paying half of any medical bills if there are some that aren't covered by the Medicaid. I'm going to waive court costs in this matter. Is there any other relief I need to address?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
No,
Ms.
Your Honor, thank
Baskerville?
you. No, Your Honor, thank you, and thank you for squeezing us in early.
You bet. Ms. Kuntz is going to prepare that order for my signature. There is a period of 3 business days during which anybody can request a new hearing. If you do that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Byrd, and he would start over and make his own decision. But if nobody does that, this order that we've agreed to today starts to become final, and you should get a copy in the mail, either email or regular mail. Mr. Casey, you should get yours from Ms. Baskerville. So stay in touch until you have a copy of that order in your hand, okay?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Good luck to you all and to your family. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Whitney.